Hey SciTech, we are so excited for tomorrow. You guys have been absolutely crushing science all year, whether it's the 5th graders with Miss Riley, my 6th graders, Miss Hook's 7th graders, and Miss Brady's 8th graders. You guys are absolutely ready for this test. Remember, there's 40 questions for most of you, so if you don't know a few, that's okay. Most of you guys are shooting for mastery in advance. It's okay not to know a few questions. Know the ones you know, be confident, use your strategies, you got this. We are so excited to see you guys crush this test. That said, today is Monday and we have one last multiple choice challenge, so we're going to do that together. That first question, you should have understood that you want the most amount of sugar, and less than 120 calories. So right now I know I can annotate my graph. I need the most sugar with less than 120 calories. So I'm only looking at these first three. So with that said, I know that my answer is Snickers. And all I need to do is circle Snickers because it has 9.1 grams. So next to B, Snickers, I'm going to write 9.1 grams, 102 calories. So this would be a great way to annotate your answer. The next one, we want the volume of just the marble. Well, the water alone is 15 milliliters. Remember, liters is how we measure liquid. So we're going to write that underneath. And once we add the ball to the water, well, it started at 15. When we added the ball, the water rose to 20. So we know that the water itself is 15. The water and the ball is 20. So how much is just the ball? Well, it's got to be 5, right? And remember, our units is milliliters. So to choose your work there, you just need to subtract, which is called the displacement in science. To find the volume, you need to find out how much that water rises when you add it. All right, and our last one. Which statement is an inference? You should be translating inference right away. An inference is something you think or guess. So that should have been on your paper. Hopefully it was. So we need a guess. Let's just go through them. The water from jar 2 evaporated over time. I don't know that for sure, and I'm explaining using science. That to me looks like an inference, so I'm going to put an I next to that. Jar 2 has less water. That's a fact or an observation. Both jars started with the same amount of water. Yeah, they did. That's an observation. Jar 1 had the same amount of water on day 3 as day 1. Yo, that's a fact too. So B, C, and D are all facts. Those are things you can see or measure. The only one that's even close to a guess or an explanation is A. Hopefully you guys rock that out. Go ahead and circle your score at the top. You guys are going to crush this tomorrow. We're going to beat Batiste. We're going to beat DTA. Y'all got this. Can't wait to see how you do.